Don't convert active voice to passive voice. Just remember these 5 easy steps. Step number 1. Find the object. For example, the teacher teaches English. So English is an object. Step number 2. Bring the object to the beginning. So it will be English. Step number 3. Add the helping verb. Since its simple present is am are. So English is. Step number 4. Change the main verb into verb 3 means past participle. Teach, taught. So it will be English is taught. Step number 5. Add by plus subject if necessary. So English is taught by the teacher. Always remember object, then is, am or are plus verb 3 means past participle plus by plus subject.